This is what a $19,000 handmade crystal chandelier looks like. From when this little thing is still a piece of sand until it's hanging up on your ceiling, we control the whole process. This is the crown jewel of this specific show for us. It's our biggest fixture that we showcased. It has about 90 different pieces and it comes 60 by 50 inches. It's very large. So the different products that we offer, we go from something that's more contemporary, more modern. Then we have a subsection of that, which is the customization section. And then we also have traditional lighting. We also do floor lamps, table lamps. We do everything lighting related. When you get to us, you can eliminate everyone in the middle instantly because we can do everything for you, from design to suggestions, installation, manufacturing, absolutely everything. You can find us on Instagram at Berkana USA. You can find us online at berkanacrystal.com. And comment below which fixture caught your eye.